Task templates in RightCapital allow you to curate a sequential set of multiple tasks and assign them all at once to one or more clients. To create a task template, navigate to the Advisor portal, Templates, Tasks tab. Your Templates tab may be located within the More menu depending on your specific account setup. Once here, click the blue Add Template button to create a new template. You can rename the template. To begin adding tasks to your template, click the Add Task button to the far right. This will open a drawer on the right side of your screen, allowing you to enter task details such as the due date, the assigned individuals, task priority and visibility, and finally, the task description. After filling out all of the information, click Save in the lower right. This will add the task to the template. You can rinse and repeat this process to add as many tasks as you'd like. Each time you add and save a new task, the entire template will be saved and updated. After being created, task templates can be applied within two areas: the Consolidated Tasks list in the Advisor portal, or the Dashboard Tasks tab within a specific client's plan. In both locations, you'll find an Add Task button in the upper right. After clicking this button, hover your mouse over Task Template, and you'll find a full list of all of the templates you've created. For more information on tasks in RightCapital, please don't hesitate to utilize our Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team with any questions.